Okay guys, so what you have to do, there's actually a couple of ways you can achieve this. Add image as a layer in Photopea. So one way, you simply click on File, Open, and you select here your image. Now we have this image as a layer here. Now we can click on New Layer, and we can simply add another image here. As you can see, another image, and this image is used. It is a layer, but you can also grab this image and add this image as a layer, as you can see here as well. That's how you can do it. You can also copy an image. We can also go, let's say, to Pixabay, and here I would like to use this image as a layer. You can also right click, select copy image. Now you can Control V and you paste this image, and it just pastes as a layer. Now it is positioned here, but is used as a layer. So as you can see that, and another tip for you to use this Photopea more effectively, go here, click on the three lines there, click on more tools, and now click on select here create shortcut. And over here what you have to do is to open as a window, and you basically have this on your desktop. You installed in theory, but in practice I guess as well. But yeah, it's like a app on your computer for now on Photopea. So yeah, just click on create. I already have it on my computer, and I think it's more effective. You can use shortcuts like in as you would in Photoshop, and it's more effective. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and take care.